Tell me this doesn't look absolutely gorgeous. Look at those layers. Come with me because today we are making the most beautiful strawberry tiramisu for our Easter celebration. Let's get started. So for my Easter celebration tonight, I'm making a little bit of a springtime dessert. In order to make strawberry tiramisu, what do we need? We need strawberries, right? I have 2 pounds of strawberries here, and I'm gonna use them in 2 different ways. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to just hull them, meaning cut the green tops off. And my small little strawberries that are perfectly shaped, I'm gonna save them on the side because we're gonna use those for the top for garnish. So I have all of my strawberries cut up, cut the tops off. So I'm gonna reserve half of them for my layering of the strawberry tiramisu. So I'm just gonna slice those and I'm gonna put them in a bowl. The other half, I'm just gonna dice them up, medium rough chop, and put them in a pot, and then I'll show you the next step. So I'm just finishing up slicing the last of my strawberries for the layering part. So last one, I just cut the tops off, split it down the middle, turn it, and then cut each into slices and throw it in the bowl. And look at these strawberries. They're gorgeous. They're perfectly ripe and so sweet. Okay, so to this, I'm gonna add in some sugar, a little less than half a cup, and just a pinch of salt. That's gonna bring the sweetness of the strawberries out. And it's also gonna help it release some liquid. And so will the sugar. So we're just gonna mix that all together. Get the one that jumped out of the pool. So once we have that all mixed together, we're just gonna set this aside and we're gonna let the strawberries macerate. Now I'm gonna dice these up and get them into our pot. So again, right down the middle again. I'm making quarters and then half and half. Just a rough chop into the pot. Our strawberries are all diced up and into the pot. So to that, I'm gonna add the juice of half a lemon, squeezing it right side up so the seeds don't fall in your strawberries. Then I'm just gonna add in a pinch of salt and about a half a cup, depending on how sweet your strawberries are, a half a cup to a cup of sugar, and then a cup of water. I'm just gonna mix that all together. So now I'm gonna pop this on the stove over a medium-low heat. I'm gonna bring it to a boil, reduce it down, let it simmer, and that's gonna create the strawberry syrup that we're gonna dip our ladyfingers in for our tiramisu. So here's our strawberries simmering away, and you just wanna take the back of your wooden spoon or potato masher, whatever you have, and just start smashing up the strawberries. And then we're just gonna keep letting this reduce down just until it turns into a syrup and the strawberries are fully softened. In the meantime, I have here a heat-proof bowl, and to that I'm gonna add in 4 egg yolks and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And this is the base for our tiramisu mixture. So we're just going to whisk the sugar and the egg yolks together over this double boiler. Look at the water. You want it barely simmering. And we're just gonna mix this together, and we're going to heat this up for about 5 to 7 minutes, whisking occasionally, just until the egg yolks are light, fluffy, and pale. So our egg yolks are done. It's been about 5 minutes, and this is exactly the consistency you're looking for. You just want it to ribbon. Our strawberries are done. Look at that beautiful syrup that it made, and look at that gorgeous color. So we're just gonna take this off the heat, and then I'll show you the next step. So our strawberries are done, and look at that gorgeous syrup that it made. Look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? So now we wanna strain this, right? So I just take a fine mesh strainer, and I pour it over the bowl that I'm gonna be using, and then I just take the back of the spoon and mash up all of the strawberries, just making sure that I get every ounce of that gorgeous strawberry flavor. And then you're just gonna discard all of the pulp. But you wanna make sure that you use a dish big enough that your ladyfingers can fit into. So we're just gonna set that aside and let that cool. In the meantime, let's finish up our tiramisu cream. So to our eggs and sugar, we're gonna add in the mascarpone cheese. And we're gonna add in about 10 ounces, so it's almost 3/4 of this large tub that I let come to room temperature. And then we're just gonna start whisking this in to our egg yolks. So once you have it perfectly smooth and the most beautiful Easter yellow ever, we're gonna add in our whipped cream. So I just took a cup of heavy whipping cream and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I whipped it until medium peaks formed. So let me change to a spatula here. We're just gonna take all of our cream and pour it into the base, okay? And we're just gonna fold this in ever so lightly, starting in the middle and flip it over. Turn the bowl, go to the middle, flip it over. You don't want to deflate the cream. In the middle, flip it over. Turn, in the middle, flip it over. And you're gonna keep doing this until all of the cream is incorporated with the egg yolk, sugar, and mascarpone mixture. And there you go, she's all done. So now let's start assembling this tiramisu. So now we're gonna take our ladyfingers, we're gonna dip them in the strawberry syrup that we made. And then we're gonna just start layering the bottom of our trifle bowl. And you just wanna dip them quickly. You don't need to soak them and make them soft. That'll happen on its own. So once we have that layered on the bottom, we're gonna take our cream and we're just gonna put a layer of that. And you're just gonna spread it all the way out to the edges. Then we're gonna take our strawberries that we macerated and we're just gonna make a layer of that. And then you just start the whole process over again. So once I have this all layered, I'll show you the next step. Doesn't she look beautiful? So now I'm just gonna take some of the strawberries that I reserved. I'm just gonna cut them in half with their tops on. And I'm just gonna put them around the border. Not only does this look pretty, but it also tells people what's inside. And for the center, I just want to show you what I'm doing. I'm taking the strawberry and I'm cutting slits in it, but I'm not going all the way through the top. And what that does is it creates a little strawberry fan. And I'm gonna put those right in the middle. Just fan it out. Tell me this doesn't look absolutely gorgeous. Look at those layers. This is the perfect Easter celebration dessert. If you want the recipe to my strawberry tiramisu, just comment the word recipe in the comment section below and I'll be happy to send it to your DM. Thanks so much for watching and happy Easter.